Today we're going to learn if-else, and else-if statements in C++ with simple examples. The if statement checks a single condition. If it's true, the code inside runs. If it's false, nothing happens. Here, we check if the number is greater than 0. If yes, we print it's positive. The if-else statement gives two paths. If the condition is true, the first block is executed. Otherwise, the else block is executed. Here, the number is checked for even or odd, and exactly one of the two blocks executes. The else-if statement is used for multiple conditions. It checks conditions in order and executes the first true block. The final else handles all remaining cases. This tells us whether the number is positive, negative, or 0. Here, we check ranges of marks to assign grades A, B, C, or F. Let's quickly compare if-else, and else-if in C++ using 3 points. First, the number of conditions. If and if-else check one condition, while else-if can check multiple in order. Second, execution behavior. If runs only if true, if-else runs exactly one block, if or else, and else-if executes only the first true block. Third, flexibility. If can be used alone, if-else ensures exactly one path executes, and else-if handles many conditions with an optional default. This makes it super easy to remember their differences. That's the basics of if-else, and else-if in C++. See you in the next video.